Hello, this is A.Majeed, and now this is the second part of the video on how to reassemble the laptop. So, just quickly before we start the video, I just want to say about my new channel called A.Majeed.Technical. I'm just saying that for the A.Majeed view, from my official channel's viewer, so for they could just go to that channel and subscribe it, and I'll also send a link in the description. So for A.Majeed.Technical viewers, you can skip this moment. So now let's start. So what things that is important for you to know about assembling a laptop is that the last thing that you have removed is actually the first thing that you will add back again. So let's start. First, last thing we removed, I remember, was the motherboard. We added like it was, remove the part so it won't get stuck. So I don't think I'll stuck here. So now we just enter the motherboard. So we need now plug in these, for example, the keyboard, the main and aux for Wi-Fi, for the touchpad, for the power button, for the display, also for the display, and then this one. Yeah. So now we need to install the mouse one for the mouse touchpads. And now we need to put in the heatsink. Where was it? Yeah, it was here. How could I not see it? So we need to install it first. Use our screwdriver to wait. Yeah. It's recommended to screw it first diagonally. So when screwing it, if you screw it like this part will be off. So I recommend screwing it diagonally, so it stay in its place even if it's weak. So yeah. Then we need to install the fan. So yeah. So first we need to see. Okay, so I need this one here. So just let's plug it. And then we need to find the other screw, which is here. Yeah. We're just plugging now on the other side like that. So for example, hard parts, like if you're afraid so these screws will fall off, I recommend using a magnetized screwdriver, or you can just like put it in the fan before adding it. And then we need to plug this so we'll make the fan work. Yeah. Now just check for anything which is not done yet. So we don't have anything which is missing. So you will now promote to the next step. Next step is installing this, which is the access panel to protect the fan. You need to just remove things and just carefully start installing it. The thing is, wait. So I think I just now finished. I know. Wait. So we now plugged this panel. So now the first thing you need to plug is this one for the CD or DVD drive. So I plugged it like that so the screw could come here. So take out the screw from the saucer or the things that you save the screw from, and then we add it back. So this one, its goal is to like keep it safe so it won't like get out or something. Yeah. When you plug it in, we start plugging in now the rest. First plug in all the screws before doing the hard drive one. It's recommended to do that. So the screw. So I'll just stop video for the moment. When I plug them all, I'll come back. So we now check if we missed any screws. So now we finished all the screws. Now we need to convert to bring the other hard drive. So now we need to put the hard drive in this place. So you need to put it like this here. So when you pull it off, when it's assembling, it will pull it off like that after unscrewing it when it's assembling. So you need to bring special screws. Oh wait, this one was so close to... Some screws, some people might get trouble in it. Like this one, I just got into a trouble here. So just be careful. I recommend being so careful and having a magnetized screwdriver. It's recommended. It's actually recommended because if one screw like just fell off, you can just pull it out by the magnetized screw. And you can also use a magnet. It's also recommended. A strong, powerful magnet. So now we finished the hard drive. Now we need to do the RAM. This is the DDR3 RAM. So plug like that. So now the last thing is using the main access panel. Gently. Then the last screw of all. This screw. So, and then the last of last, this battery. Plug it in gently, and now you have successfully assembled and disassembled and assembled a laptop. So thanks for watching. Now just one thing before the video ends, that I have some merch. I have a merch website, and I also have a normal website, which is like I do blogs on my official channel, so it's recommended to see it. I'll just put this link in the description. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you're having a great time. Goodbye.